Hello everyone. Today is the 10 August 2021. My name is Rameshwar Narayan Bhalerav and today's our topic is constructor. In constructor we discuss the what is a constructor, the main purpose of a constructor, developing the constructor in Java, type of constructor and syntax of constructor. Firstly, we discuss the what is the constructor and definition of the constructor. Constructor is a special type of method or special type of method which is used in a and the method there are no return type method and it's called as a constructor means the method constructor is a special type of method and the constructor name same as a class name is called as a constructor. First type of a constructor, uh, default constructor. Second is a uh, default constructor, parameterized constructor, copy constructor, and last one is a private constructor. Firstly, we discuss the why we create the constructor. If we do not we isn't create the constructor, then compiler create a default constructor by default. Means the in any program compiler are in call the main method and then we uh, we create any object of this class, another class. uh, then constructor always create a default constructor and if you create a constructor, then compiler does not create a constructor. Okay, then discuss the first method. uh, First type of constructor, default constructor. Default constructor is the constructor the constructor we do not pass the argument or we do not pass the uh, parameter. It's called as a default constructor. Why is the default constructor? If uh, we create a class A and inside the class A there are three variable, int A, int B and int C. These variable are instance variable and we uh, initialize the A equal to B A equal to 1, B equal to 2 and C equal to 3. Then we create the default constructor and then we create the another one constructor is a parameterized constructor. Then we create another class and another class and then we create another class, class B, and we create a object of class A and with parameter. Then with the parameter, then we pass the parameter to parameterized constructor. Means the then default constructor doesn't call, parameterized constructor call, and we passed value the initialize the instance variable. Then we doesn't pass the any value. Then constructor parameterized constructor doesn't call and default constructor call, and already assigned value is declared in skewered. Means the we create and second reason to create the default constructor. Then we condition to if we condition to initialization of the uh, variable, then we create a default constructor. Then second one is a parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor is parameterized constructor is if we pass the parameter one or two parameter through the constructor is called as a parameterized constructor. Um, why you use the parameterized constructor? Parameterized constructor is used to initialize the instance variable using this keyword. Um Instance We can access the instance variable using this keyword, and we receive the uh, parameter using their data type, and inside the data type we as a local variable in the parameterized constructor, the receive the parameter or value of the variable are stored in local variable, and this local variable value are initialized to the instance variable using this keyword. Then the syntax of the parameterized constructor is we create a class A. uh, then class in the class A we create a two constructor 1 and constructor 2. Constructor 1 is a parameterized constructor, constructor 2 is a default constructor. Constructor 1 is a parameterized constructor, it receive the int A, int B and int C. There are three parameter pass, and we create another class B. Inside the class B, in main method we create the object of a class A, and then we create a object of a class A, and then we pass the with the argument the three integer value as a argument with three integer value. Then the call the constructor parameterized constructor, and then we does not pass the any value as a parameter. Then default constructor call, and the value of the A B C is 0, because the default value of the integer is a 0. Third is a copy constructor. Firstly, we discuss the why you use the parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor are initialized to ob- the variable of object. Then third one is a copy constructor. But firstly we discuss the what is the copy constructor. Copy constructor is a constructor, that constructor we can pass the object as a parameter. It's called as a copy constructor. uh, why we use the copy constructor? The copy constructor are the copy the another object data in the one object data to the another object data. Means the large number of data, means the 100 number of integer variable, and we uh, we create a we create a we initialize the we initialize the 100 variable using the object 1 in through the parameterized constructor, and then we then we use the same data again in another object. Then we use the we create the another object of this class, and pass the object of previous object of this class as a parameter, and receive the object reference of object through the constructor, and then we initialize the value of the uh, this object to the instance variable in that object is called as a copy constructor. Means the we does not need to initialize one variable uh, two time, uh, the use of a copy constructor. Thank you.